this, then plot x of minus 3t plus 5. So all the concept you should know. Here you can say minus is there. This is very important. This sort of question will come in the exam only. Okay. And each of the concept is time reversal, time shifting, time scaling. All these concepts should you require to solve this question. Okay. This type of question will come only. You should know clear concept on this operation. All the three operation. So let me give a note or a standard format. Let me give how to solve such type of question. This is the note, very important note. Suppose a signal is given x, okay, minus alpha t plus beta. So then what you will do, you just modify this signal, this time domain independent variable, these things like this, a into, this is very important, you should know the things. You should first common the minus, or you can minus alpha, and signal will be what? T minus beta by alpha. Okay, this is the standard format you should know to solve this difficult question like x minus t plus minus 3t plus 5. Okay, to solve such type of question, you know this formula. Okay, a into x minus alpha t minus beta by alpha. You should make format like this only first. Here you can see first we have what? Minus sign. Minus sign means what is the type of property? This one, if minus something is given, the
reversal.
Time reversal. Okay, this fall in time reversal. If something something multiply with the t, what will be the property?
Scaling.
Time scaling. And something minus with the t value or plus with the t value, that is time shifting. Okay. Now to solve the such type of question, you should proceed from left to right. Here, okay, from left to right you have to proceed. Means you have to do time reversal first, then time scaling, then time shifting. It will it will make it easier to solve the question. Okay. So let's go to solve the above question. Okay, one by one. The signal is given what? X of minus 3t plus 5. Okay, the signal is given x of minus 3t plus 5, and signal is minus 4 to 4, 1. Minus 4 to 3. Signal is like this. X of t minus 4 to 3. Now I am saying you make it the previous format, a standard format. How you should take common minus 3t. Minus 3 you should take common, then the inside will be t minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now take do one by one. First you take reversal. Reversal means you do the signal first reversal, x of minus t first. Okay. Then what will be the signal? I am saying that when minus reversal means it's like a folding image. It's like a mirror image. When you place a mirror along the y-axis, then you'll it will be a mirror image. What the image you see in the mirror, that will be come as output. So it will a mirror image. That is minus 3. This is 4. Okay. Then I am saying come to the from left to right when you're going to solve. Next is time scaling. Okay, time scaling means it may be compress or expand. Okay, here 3 is given. Okay, 3 is given means it is greater than 1 value 1. Okay, it's greater than 1. When a greater than 1 means the signal will be a compressed one. Compressed one means we have to divide this 3 with the range. When you divide, then first one is come as a minus 1. This amplitude will be same. We are not doing anything with amplitude. the first answer will be 1 and this will become as a 4/3. This is a compressed version of the signal because a equal to here 3 is greater than 1. That's why. So now you have to do shifting. Shifting how much? It is left shifting or right shifting? Please, please response anyone.
Left.
It will left,
Left
or
shifting.
right?
Left shift, sir. Left shift.
Left, sir.
Wrong. Why it's left?
Right shift, sir.
Right
Minus.
shifting.
Negative, so we had to shift it to right side.
Yeah, it is inside the bracket. It's minus is there, no? That's why it will be right shifting. Okay, right. So how much? How you can find that shifting? This -3 t. Oh, sorry. -3 t minus 5/3. So it will be a right shift. Right shift means we have to. This is act as a t naught, no? So we have to plus or minus. It will come to the right. How much? You make it like this: -1 plus t naught is 5/3. So -1 5/3. Okay. How much it is? 3 minus 3 plus 5. It will be 2/3. 2/3. So it is come in a positive side. 2/3. Next, again, right shift will be 4/3 plus 5/3. What will be the value? 9/3.
3.
So this will be the 9/3. Amplitude would be remain same because we do not do anything with the amplitude. So amplitude would be 1 only. So this is the ultimate answer. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This sort of question will come. Okay, these are the little difficult one, but question will come like this only. It will not given. Okay, draw a signal ut minus 10. Those are very simple, but you should know those concepts also. Those are the basis. When you know the basis things, then you can solve the difficult question. Okay, so we should proceed from simple to complex. Okay, like that only. So let me give one question, very important question. This question has come in many competitive
Sir,
exams.
slide back, sir, once. Previous page, sir.
This- This is 9. Yeah, 9/3 means what? 3 only, no? So it is 2/3 to up to 2/3. You make correction. Have you understand what I am saying? 9/3 means 3. So it is from 2/3 to 3. Okay. Here it is 3 because 9/3 equal to 3. It's okay. Let me give a very important question, which has come in many competitive exam as well as in JRTUS also. If something xt is given, xt equal to u of t minus u of t minus 1. Okay, then plot y of t equal to x of twice t plus 3. Can you able to solve this question? This is very important. If you know
Yes.
to solve this question, then your concept will be clear. I will guess because all the concept will required to solve this question. You try. Let me solve. Only 3 minutes is there. Okay, let me solve also. first of all, you should know to plot these things. Okay, x equal to ut minus u of minus t. How you will plot? To plot this xt, you should know what is ut first. Is it clear? I think ut, I think everybody know. Okay, let me take somebody. Let me ask somebody. Prasanna, is it you there? Are you there? Can you say what is unit step signal? Mani Deepak, can you say what is unit step signal? Faizuddin, Borun, can you say what is unit step signal? And what will be the signal when t equal to -1 is there?
Sir, once again. Question, repeat the question.
Now I am saying that what is ut? Do you know unit step signal?
If t greater than 0, t of t equals to 1, sir. Otherwise,
amplitude will be 1.
Yes, sir. Amplitude is 1.
Amplitude 1 and it keep constant as you increase the time below. Okay. This is ut. No. Who is this? Who is talking?
285. Varun, sir.
Varun. Okay. Varun, you say what will be the signal when we take ut minus 1?
Ut minus 1, sir.
Yeah.
Signal is shifted to right side, sir. Please.
Right. After how many unit?
1 unit.
Okay, 1 unit. Nice. So you should be attentive in the class. Okay. Then only you can answer the question. And these are the basic things. Okay, you should know properly. So this is ut I have find, and this is ut minus 1. So what is the question? Xt. Xt will be, we have to minus ut minus ut minus 1. When we minus, you can say this is 1. Here amplitude 1 is there. Here also amplitude 1. When we minus up to 1, our signal will be exist. Okay. From beyond 1, all the amplitude gets 0, because from minus, when you take minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So signal exists up to 1 only. So this is the xt signal. Okay. Now I think you can do the rest of the thing. This plot yt equal to x twice t minus plus 3. So you have to first convert it in a standard format. Then you have to do all the stuff, rest of the stuff. Okay. Whether I have to solve now, or you solve by your own?
We have to solve.
Huh? You will repeat?
We will solve, sir, left.
You can solve, sir. Okay, okay, nice. So this is very important. Let me give some more problem. Okay. These are very important. If you can't solve, let me somebody say, sir, solve it. I'll solve in next class. You do this homework. Okay. First one is rt minus r of t minus 1. You plot the signal. Okay. Then your concept will be clear. Like twice rt, 3 thrice is x of n equal to del of n plus 2 plus del of n minus 1 plus del of n. Another very important question is, suppose you solve this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. U of minus t plus 2. Five number, let me give like t plus 2 plus r t plus 1 minus r t minus 1, okay, minus u t minus 1. You try to solve this